everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. So in this video today, I'm going to be making some pesto Alfredo pasta. Come on with me, guys. All right, so I am adding some chicken cutlets here. We're going to cut them in little pieces, and then we're going to go ahead and add them to a pot with olive oil, and then we'll continue on from there. Now, this video is a part of a collaboration called Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The host of this collaboration is Jennifer at Home, Jean Home Decor and More, and myself, Simply Grace Lifestyle. Now, I'm going to go ahead and cut off the fat that's on the side of this chicken cutlet, and then you can cut it really as small or as big pieces as you would like. Now, I already went ahead and washed these chicken cutlets and washed my hands. Make sure and pat this dry before you start working with it. Some people wear gloves. You can. I wash my hands in between everything. Now, don't forget to head on over to Jean and Jennifer's channel so that you can see what inspiration they have to show you. Now, if you haven't been over to Jean and Jennifer's channel, make sure and head on over there, click the like button, leave them a beautiful comment, subscribe to their channels. You will not be disappointed. Now, as you saw me do earlier on in this video, I have put some olive oil in the pan. Now, when it comes to seasoning, we're going to use the seasoning, my house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, garlic, oregano, Italian seasoning. And my favorite spice currently is the Knorr chicken bouillon powder. Now, while shopping at Walmart, I decided to pick up some pesto sauce. I also picked up some Prego Alfredo sauce because this is quick and easy meals. All right, so I finished cutting the chicken. Now it's time for the spices. Now, I don't normally measure, I go by sight, but if I had to guess, I'm going to be using the salt. You can adjust to your liking, but everything else, I pretty much use about a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. Make sure and adjust the spices according to your liking. Now, after I left that chicken there to go ahead and cook a little bit more, I decided to add some onion. We can never have enough onion, guys. So as you can see, I'm boiling some water, put a dash of salt in the water. Here's the Prego Alfredo sauce, and here is the little jar of pesto that I purchased at Walmart. Now, as soon as that water starts to boil, we're gonna go ahead and add that box of penne pasta. In the meantime, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the pesto sauce in to cook with the chicken. Now I'm going to go ahead and lower the heat to the chicken, and then we're going to cover it and let that cook a little bit more. All right, so pasta's now getting ready to go in the water, and we'll time this. This will probably cook for about 8 minutes, and then I'll strain it. Now I move the chicken into a pan, a large pan. Now we're going to add a cup of heavy cream, and we're going to add plenty of butter. Now at some point here, I'm going to be adding a little bit of water. I'm going to say maybe a half a cup. Now I'm going to go ahead and repeat the spices that I was using at the beginning of the video, and we're going to adjust this. So every time we add something, we taste for flavor and adjust. Now, after mixing everything together, I'm going to do a half a jar of this Alfredo sauce. So at this point here, I can honestly tell you it tastes amazing. I'm going to go ahead and put the pasta in, mix everything together, and let that simmer on low for about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then we'll come back. Now, doesn't this look absolutely delicious? It is time to serve and head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have an amazing day. God bless you guys. Amen.